Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna be playing with something called Unicorn Snot, and I picked this up at a little boutique. I was noticing that it was actually holographic, like there's a lip gloss that has glitter in it that looks holographic, which I've been on a mission for because I personally have thought that that just does not exist. I know a lot of companies over the past year, they have been bringing out hollow makeup and it's not hollow and like there's that whole thing, but this actually looks like it might be holographic. It might be the first of its kind. I do have two of the lip glosses right here. I'm gonna try them on. I also have the Unicorn Snot Glitter Gel. This is for the body and the face. We're gonna test that out. I have a green unicorn snot. I also have a just average gal's unicorn snot glitter gel, also for the face and body. I think we'll do like a sidesy kind of a thing. We're like green over here, other one here. I'm gonna look crazy. I kind of have that feeling and we're just gonna do it anyway. So I also wanna play with a few of these IGK new hair additions. This is a brand that I have seen at Sephora. This kind of an item used to be my favorite thing about Halloween. No joke, I would go to the drugstore and my sisters would be like, I want this costume, I want that costume. And then there would be little me with like some kind of Halloween face painting kit because I wanted to be a makeup artist even back then, and glitter hairspray. Do we remember like the full on glitter hairspray? I would drench myself in that and I loved it. And I just thought it was the prettiest thing ever. So I feel like this is higher end grown up glitter hairspray. We're gonna try this out as well. So let's just kind of get to digging into this glitter snot. You can pick up this glitter snot from a brand called Factory and it is $7.95. It says that it's cotton candy scented. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I want to eat that. That's delicious. That smells so good. It does say that you can wear this alone or you can pair it on top of your favorite lipstick. We're gonna try it alone just to see how potent the glitter is in here. Let's just start there. Oh. That was too much. This feels disgusting. Okay, don't use as much as I just did. We're gonna try that again. It's like thick. It is not normal feeling lip gloss, that is for sure. It feels like gel, like it feels like a thick hair gel. Dang, if anybody out there is really looking for holographic lip stuff, this is it. I need to like send a care package to Christine ASAP. That is cool. Okay, let's try the green one and then I'm gonna put on like a liquid lip and try it on top of it. They're the same. They're exactly the same. So, it's really up to you what you want it to look like in the tube. These look identical on, and you can really feel the glitter in here. It is not like finely milled, smooth application. Like it's chunky. So you're gonna pay the price in that department, but it is kind of pretty, right? I wanna put a liquid lip on and then put this on top. But I need like a dark liquid lip. All right, we're going for it. I'm going in with a little Beauty Bakery. This is a really pretty color. I all of a sudden went from like cute and happy to like very vampy and cosmetically mean. I'm gonna be a bad girl for 2 seconds and then put on something called Unicorn Snot because I was just too dang curious. All right, so I want this to completely dry down while we are waiting for that to turn into an absolute matte lip to do a cool application with. I kind of want to dig into this. So let's just dive right on into Unicorn Snot Part 2. There are 5 shades. I only have 2. It says that you can use this on the body or the face. I'm kind of having like Hot Topic vibes with this, right? Yay. Unicorn sneezed on me. Ooh, it smells like vodka. Dude, it smells like I just dumped rubbing alcohol all over my body. I don't know how drying this is going to be, but that does not smell like cotton candy, okay? It just does not, be warned. I just like the way this one looks better as far as the gel goes. I think it's prettier. It just has more of a potent punch of the holographic glitter. I'm gonna take my beauty blender that I used today and just kind of apply it the way I would a cream highlight. Huh, that actually goes on quite clear and like not chunky. I feel like a lunatic that I like this so much. I thought it would just be kind of like a fun, like, haha, let's play with like unicorn snot. It's so funny. But I kind of like it. These work best with nothing on your lips underneath. these Beauty Bakery liquid lips. They're some of my favorites, but you definitely don't want to have anything like oily underneath or anything like that. This is the shade She's Just Jelly Lip Whip, by the way. Oh my God. Why do I do this kind of shit? I swear to God, I don't understand this. Do you guys see this? It like comes out like a crack-a-lack of foam, like it's iridescent. Oh my God, this dispensary of this is just horrible though. Okay, you know what? My hair day is kind of crap anyway. Let's just go for it. Company's coming over for dinner. Let's just see what happens. Why not? I need to wash my hair anyway. Tomorrow. Company can deal with it. It looks kind of cool. I turned into even more of a bad girl right now. Wow. Except for I got it on my forehead. Fail. This is gonna be here for a while, I have a feeling. I feel like I should show you guys my desk at the moment, just so you have an understanding of the chaos that is going on. We're gonna pull out the Tati Cam, unicorn crap everywhere, and this IGK stuff is just, it dispenses so strange. I'm gonna try and like just maybe go off my glass palette for a second and show you guys. What the heck, right? Are you kidding me? Is that not so weird? I don't like that I got it like kind of on my skin here. I hope that doesn't stain. That does not look that good. I kind of want to try the pink one now. So I'm gonna take the pink foam and just, well, I can tell you that I like this better than the pink. This is cool. Like if I had like a sleek back, like really nice bun and I wasn't just holding my hair together with a makeup brush, I think that could look really, really cool if you did it in like precise sections. So that's kind of neat. It's kind of fun. It's just a disaster. Okay, please don't stain my forehead. I did not do a perfect job. I'm just kind of, you know, playing and whatever. My liquid lip has dried down now, so let's try out this gloss on top. Yeah, there you go. I actually think that looks kind of cool, and I don't know that I would wear everything all at once. I mean, I have glitter on my shoulders as my highlight. I have crap in my hair. I have, you know, of course, it on my mouth as well. I actually thought sitting down I wasn't gonna like any of this. I thought it would be fun and cutesy, but I didn't think that I would actually look in the mirror and go, yes, that's kind of neat. And that's what I am doing right now. I think it's kind of cool. And I'm surprised that I actually even like this business right here. Let's just set everything with a little glitter hairspray. I mean, we've already come this far. Why not just top it all off? It smells really nice. Ooh, I look like I have glitter dandruff. It's like high end. Wow, like beam me up somewhere. I need to go to another planet. I am ready to not just be doing nothing in my home. This is cool. I think it's really neat. I love it. This was so much fun. This actually was one of the more fun OMGs that I have filmed recently. You guys, I love bringing you affordable makeup and cool things that launch at the drugstore, but every once in a while we got to break it up and do something a little bit out there like this. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me play with all this crazy glitter product. You know, unicorn snot and then new IGK products for the hair. And let me know in the comments, what do you actually think you would try yourself? Like, of all of this stuff, is there anything that you would wear like out on a Friday night, Saturday night? Like, is any of this appealing to you? Oh my gosh, look at my hands. Ah! All right, leave those comments below. I love you guys so much, and I hope you're having a great day, whatever you are doing. I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.